quick disclaimer before we get deep into the video. I do not have a mic, and plus the alarms in this game are really loud. So if you have headphone users, or if you are a headphone user, I suggest you turn it down whenever I open up the panel, because it's really loud. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and sorry I did not have a microphone during this video, but yeah, thank you, and we're gonna get into pulling it. And I haven't figured out the name, the new name for the channel yet, but that is coming up. Same channel, just different name, and more videos hopefully to come, more awesome videos to come, even better, and not all Roblox. Possibly my summer car videos. I don't know. I may not do my summer car, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk until whenever I open the panel up. Which right now, headphone users, I'd turn it down. Thank you.